Welcome to the interactive CD sampler from Microsoft. Where do you want to go today? The possibilities are practically unlimited when you choose any of these destinations. Microsoft makes it easy for you to work, organize, create, and manage. Check out Picture It, Greetings Workshop, Automap Streets Plus, and Publisher and see for yourself. Or click on the catalog option to learn about other helpful and easy-to-use Microsoft products.
Welcome to Microsoft Publisher 97. Fast, easy, and professional-looking graphic publications are yours with the newest edition of the top-selling desktop publishing program. Microsoft Publisher 97 allows people to handle extraordinary design, printing, and publishing challenges with successful results. So go ahead, indulge your taste for excellence. Microsoft Publisher 97 will be there for you. For a closer look at Microsoft Publisher 97, simply select the tour you'd like to take. If you're new to Microsoft Publisher 97, we suggest the introduction. If you already use it, we invite you to check out what's new in Microsoft Publisher 97. Using Page Wizard Design Assistance, Microsoft Publisher 97 will automatically design and construct your publication. There are dozens of different page wizards to simplify projects such as creating newsletters, business cards, brochures, or building websites. Page Wizard Design Assistants are the fastest, easiest way to create customized, professional quality publications. Just answer a series of simple questions about what you'd like to accomplish, and a Page Wizard will guide you through a step-by-step design and layout process. You make the decisions, and Page Wizard does the work. And because Microsoft Publisher 97 is Office compatible, when you insert a Microsoft Word document into your brochure, you can edit your text in Microsoft Publisher 97. Or choose Word as your story editor and combine the design and layout capabilities of your publishing program with the full power of your word processor. And that's not all. Microsoft Publisher 97 can even anticipate when you need help and automatically provide pop-up tips as you work. Or choose to ask for help when you want it, and context-sensitive help takes you straight to the content you need to get your work done. Once you get used to the ease of Microsoft Publisher 97, you'll be amazed at how professional and capable it is. You'll find sophisticated tools to add impact to your publications and speed up the design process. Take a look. You can use a fancy first letter to make a bold introduction. Use a pull quote in an easy pre-designed format to highlight critical information and add visual interest to the page. You can add color, shades, and shadows, and even rotate text and graphics. Plus, you can choose from an expansive array of graphic borders, backgrounds, and clip art images. Modify them to suit your needs. Microsoft Publisher 97 also includes special design elements optimized for the World Wide Web, so you're ready to face the future. You'll get the professional quality results you want with Microsoft Publisher 97. Hey, what's this?
Something Mom brought home. Wow. Cool. It's so easy. Let's see what else we can do.
Your mom's gonna love this. Great! We can use our own photographs.
Where do my friends see this? This is pretty cool.
Wow!
No wonder Mom bought it.
We can make so many things. Certificates and awards, announcements, banners, cards, invitations, calendars, signs, and flyers with Greetings Workshop.
Most people treasure pictures. They help us relive fond memories, precious experiences with family and friends. But the fact is, most pictures end up packed away in boxes. Now there's a new way to relive your memories and share them like you never thought possible, as great family gifts, to commemorate a special event, for school projects. Just imagine the possibilities with Microsoft Picture It. Best of all, Picture It lets you create photographic quality prints from a typical home PC without any additional hardware. Everything you need is in the box. To use Picture It, all that's required is a standard 486-66 PC with 8 megs of RAM running Windows 95. Picture It makes it easy to get your pictures into the computer and gives you smart tasks to correct the most common photo problems automatically. Plus exclusive Kodak ImageMagick custom creations so you can get started right away. And Picture It makes it a breeze to print your pictures in true photographic quality. Save the moment. Share the memories with Picture It. Capture it. Create it. Print it. Picture it.
Hi, I'm here to tell you about Microsoft Automap Trip Planner, the complete travel guide and road atlas that helps you plan better trips.
You tell them, dear.
That's my mother.
Sweetheart, tell them about the family vacations we used to take when you were little. Remember those trips?
Sure, Mom, how could I forget? Seemed like we drove for years. Dad would get lost and refuse to admit it. Us kids were bored out of our skulls.
Well, we didn't have Automap Trip Planner back then, so planning road trips wasn't quite so easy.
This is exactly my point, Mom. Automap Trip Planner helps you plan better trips, so the whole family will have more fun and fonder memories.
That's my boy.
For starters, Trip Planner comes with classic drives. These prepackaged guided tours are a guaranteed great road trip.
Well, that's nice, dear, but let's use Trip Planner to organize a customized trip to Las Vegas for me and your father.
Mom, I was going to use Trip Planner to design a trip to Yellowstone and the Grand Canyon with Joan and the kids. The Route Wizard walks you through all the steps to planning your trip. You choose where you want to start and end, and places you want to stop or pass through.
Sweetheart, if you're driving out west, you need to stop to visit your Uncle Harry in Utah.
Okay, we'll just type him in. Then you tell the Route Wizard the type of things you like to see and do. From festivals to factories, museums to natural wonders, historic sites to amusement parks.
And don't forget outlet malls. You know my motto, bargains make vacations better.
After you've selected what you want to do, you choose how you'd like to get to all these places. Whether you prefer fast interstate highways or scenic country roads, Trip Planner will chart you the perfect route.
Look how fancy. It even calculates your fuel cost.
Well, that's just the beginning, Mom. Trip Planner creates a complete itinerary for your trip. It lists all the possible things to do along your route based on your preferences, and then you choose the ones you like best.
Will you look at that? It's the Corn Palace. You don't remember, but you went there as a child.
Well, the special kids logo shows me that it's recommended for kids. And so is Mount Rushmore. I have always wanted to see that. Well, now here's something that Dad will really like, maps. Trip Planner creates a customized map that spells out your points of destination. The maps are easy to print and read. He'll appreciate the new selection of detailed city maps that comes with Trip Planner. And the seamless integration with Automap Streets Plus, which maps more than 6 million miles of streets and will pinpoint virtually any address in the United States. Pushpins are just the thing for you.
You're right. They are a wonderful idea. In fact, I've already created just a few pushpin groups for you with my own notes and labels.
Well, Mom, did you also know that Trip Planner has new internet capabilities? With Automap Online, you can get one-click access to even more information on 500 North American cities and places, plus links to other websites.
Oh, of course I know about the internet link.
Mom, you're a marvel. I promise to send you a wonderful postcard from the Grand Canyon. Microsoft Automap Trip Planner. It's everything you need to plan the best trips of your life.
Let me ask you a question. How much time do you spend in your car?
Well, does a truck count? I don't drive a fancy car like you, but I do drive a lot.
Yes, Dad, a truck counts. Look, I'm here to talk to these people about Microsoft Automap Streets Plus.
So, what does it do?
It's great for people who are in their cars a lot, whether it's making deliveries, navigating a new city, mapping out your kid's carpool route. This version of Streets Plus features all new maps with over 6 million miles of road. It will pinpoint virtually any street address in the United States.
Really? Well, how about your home address? When was the last time you checked to see if that was still on the map?
That's a great idea, Dad. Let's check it out. You just type in as much of the addresses you know, and Streets Plus will
Okay, so that's the streets. What's the plus?
With Streets Plus, you can do more with your maps. In addition to finding addresses, you can customize your map with your own information.
You know that brochure I used to promote my company?
Yeah?
I created that map in Streets Plus and then just pasted it into my brochure. It shows where I'm located and how to get to me.
You use Streets Plus?
Every day. But I know a good idea when I see one. Streets Plus makes my maps more useful. Now that's a plus. Take pushpins, for example. They let me add my own notes and labels to a map.
But you know, Dad, you also get an info pack database that lists 280,000 restaurants and 12,000 hotels across the country.
All right then, that's another plus. If you've got to be on the road, you ought to at least know where you're going.
And with the new internet link, I can make my hotel reservations online. Plus, with Automap Online, I can get worldwide web access to even more information on 450 U.S. cities and places.
That ought to be enough travel news even for you.
Streets Plus also offers seamless integration with Automap Trip Planner, the complete travel guide and road atlas. Automap puts new meaning into going the extra mile.
I suppose you've gone the extra mile and gotten the deluxe edition of Streets Plus.
Well, sure I have. The deluxe edition includes the American Yellow Pages CD, so I get a full solution in one package. I use it to find toy stores near my hotel when I'm out of town, so I can bring home a present for my nephew.
Well, it's nice to know you think about your family sometimes. With pushpins, Streets Plus easily imports data from most of the popular database and spreadsheet programs. What I do is take all my customers from my own database and flag their locations on the map. Then I can choose my symbols. I can even highlight a route between locations. I print out the maps and my drivers know where they're going and how to get there.
Automap Streets Plus. Make your maps more useful.
Escape the everyday doldrums of work, work, work. Try your hand at Deadly Tide or Hellbender. Play Pac-Man or catch the action in Monster Truck Madness. Click on the catalog option to learn about other exciting Microsoft games.
If you think you know racing games, you ain't seen nothing yet. Microsoft Monster Truck Madness! Challenge your senses. Choose from 4 exciting types of racing. Tournament! Your ticket gets you the whole seat, but you'll only need the edge. Multiplayer mode allows you to race against your friends via the internet or modem to modem. Microsoft Monster Truck Madness! Get tips from the pros with right-click help and a full multimedia help system. Microsoft Monster Truck Madness! Wild, wild, wild traction action! Let's see that again! Head for the garage! Soup up your truck! Microsoft Monster Truck Madness! Be there!
Turn your quest for knowledge into an adventure with Encarta Encyclopedia, Encarta World Atlas, Automap Streets Plus, Automap Trip Planner, or Bookshelf. Click on Catalog to see more products to expand your world of information and culture.
To engage. What does it mean? To come together, to launch into, to involve, entertain, captivate, fascinate.
Gross! That's just the kind of pet my little brother would like.
For millions of people around the world, the award-winning Encarta Encyclopedia makes learning more engaging. And now, Encarta 97 Encyclopedia is more comprehensive and compelling than ever before, featuring more than 100 videos and animations.
Start, 2, 1, 0, and lift Americans return to space as Discovery clears the tower.
More than 950 maps. Over 9.5 hours of high-quality, digitally recorded sound. And over 8,000 photographs and illustrations. All the rich media in Encarta 97 Encyclopedia is tightly linked to over 30,000 articles to let you experience information and help broaden your interest. Encarta 97 Encyclopedia offers engaging information. More than 300,000 links to related articles, suggested reading, and worldwide websites. Seamless integration with the Internet provides a direct connection to a world of information beyond the CD-ROM. Links can be upgraded to as many as 5,000, and links can be updated every month to ensure you have the most current information. Encarta Yearbook allows you to download as many as 50 new Encarta articles each month and integrate them with the CD content so your encyclopedia information continues to remain fresh. Students will make Encarta 97 Encyclopedia the first stop for any school project because Encarta helps students make effective use of the information they find. Simply copy and paste text and images into a word processor or presentation software. Plus, a complete 65,000-word dictionary is always available. But the world of Encarta Encyclopedia doesn't stop there. It also includes an atlas, timeline, interactive learning activities, and a trivia game to help encourage curiosity and knowledge. And for the first time, Encarta is introducing a deluxe edition with double the media to fill 2 CD-ROMs. For example, multimedia collages offer visual maps of 20 different topics and let users browse and jump to Encarta articles, media, and related web content.
This is totally awesome!
Encarta 97 Encyclopedia Deluxe Edition includes an additional 6,000 images, 35 more videos, and over 300 new sound clips. 360-degree views allows users to see an expansive, panoramic view of spectacular scenes, such as the Grand Canyon or the Colosseum in Rome. With the wealth of information it provides, it's no wonder that Encarta Encyclopedia is the best-selling encyclopedia in the world. So make Encarta 97 Encyclopedia the first place you go to find out what you need to know. At 9:35 p.m., he needs information about the current cultural and economic climate in Japan. Alex's company is considering expansion into the Japanese market, and his executive summary is due tomorrow. The libraries are closed. Alex cannot possibly know all the statistics and insights he needs, but his computer knows. That's because he'll use the ultimate productivity tool, Microsoft Bookshelf 1996-97 edition. Now in its 7th release, Bookshelf provides one-click access to the information contained in 9 essential reference works, including an encyclopedia, almanac, dictionary, quotations collection, event chronology, thesaurus, and zip code directory. And new this year, Bookshelf has added a World Atlas, plus a comprehensive Internet directory. Watch as Alex uses Bookshelf to get his work done. The first thing Alex notices is the new streamlined look of Bookshelf's improved visual interface. Alex doesn't know it, But that interface is the result of nearly a decade of research about the way people use information. He is getting quicker, easier access to more information than ever before. The seamless integration of the bookshelf library provides automatic one-step searching across all 9 references. It ensures the most thorough search is performed and the most relevant answers are delivered. Now, Alex moves with one click from the map in his dictionary to the concise Encarta World Atlas, where Alex will find all new maps. He'll find pronunciations for hundreds of city names, as well as flags for every country, and even national anthems. From the Atlas, Alex can launch directly into the World Almanac to target information on population, religion, government, industry, transportation, communication, and more. With Microsoft Bookshelf, you'll spend your time using information and not searching for it. From dictionary to atlas to almanac is just the beginning of where Bookshelf can take you. Watch as the all-new Internet Directory leads Alex to a world of information beyond the CD-ROM. For each site listed, the directory provides a cogent summary, plus a hot link to the site itself. At this site, Alex can access Japan travel updates. Here, he'll find geographic and political information about Japan. Access to the site is just one mouse click away. The Internet Directory works with your browser of choice and also includes Microsoft Internet Explorer 2.0 and 1 month's free access to MSN, the Microsoft network. And the Columbia Dictionary of Quotations provides writers and speakers such as Alex the perfect quotations for any occasion. Ah, smart. Alex has accessed the Year in Review chronology for up-to-date highlights of the year's news. Alex's report would not be complete without considering the profound impact of the Japanese earthquake just last year. With Microsoft Bookshelf, powerful tools make your information more powerful. Now, Alex must get a copy of this report to the Japanese embassy, and it must be shipped tonight. He knows the street address, but does he know the zip code? Not to worry. Alex simply uses the Bookshelf address builder to instantly locate the correct zip code. Alex Simon's presentation will be a success. It will even help him get that promotion he's been after. In businesses across the globe, this type of scenario is played out day after day, sometimes successfully and sometimes not. The difference between the two is the ability to find, manipulate, and deliver information quickly and easily. It's true for Alex Simons. It's true for you, too. With Microsoft Bookshelf, the vast, quickly changing world of information is your advantage.
Awed by the prospect of a vast and unfamiliar online world? Let Microsoft and the Internet Explorer be your guide. Climb aboard the online transporter now. Awed by the prospect of a vast and unfamiliar online world? Let Microsoft and the Internet Explorer be your guide. Climb aboard the online transporter now.
I need a new car. I don't have time to look. Just getting out there to shop and compare is such a hassle. I do know I want a sport utility, but there are a ton of them. It'll take time to check them all out. I've heard good things about the Toyota 4Runner. I wonder if they're in the $20,000 to $25,000 range. And what about options? I know I want airbags. It should get at least 20 miles per gallon. And after I nail everything down, I'll need detailed price information. Where do you find out about dealer cost, invoice pricing, rebates, incentives, and cost of ownership? That stuff could save me big bucks. Oh, and car salesmen. Is there a trick to negotiating with those guys? But then it would be cool just to bypass the haggling altogether. I wish there was an easier way to buy a new car.
Microsoft CarPoint, the smartest way to buy your next car.
Create your own action-packed movie with a free trial version of 3D Movie Maker. Climb aboard the Magic School Bus to experience 4 different adventures. Or learn about EasyBall, a special tool that'll make your computer more friendly for kids. Click on the catalog option to learn about other exciting Microsoft products for kids.
Is Miss Frizzle here yet?
Get ready to drive the bus on an unforgettable field trip to explore inside the human body. Here's your chance to see how much of an adventure driving the Magic School Bus can be. Click Play Video to see just some of the amazing things you can do on these magical scientific field trips. Or click Play Game to try out some actual games and activities from the products.
Guess where the Magic School Bus is going this time? I'll give you a hint. You might need a skeleton key. Come along with us inside the bus. A Scholastic's Magic School Bus goes interactive inside the human body. When the Frisk takes us inside Arnold's body, it's our job to find a way out. Ooh, I hope Arnold brushed his teeth. Where should we go next? It's up to us. We're driving the bus. We can fly past the uvula. That's the thing hanging down your throat. Then down the esophagus, and parachute into the stomach. Any guesses what Arnold's been eating for lunch?
Hellbender.
We can go sniffing around the nose and see what pops up, or take a magnified look at his brain. It's a fun-filled, hands-on, interactive adventure. Who knows what's waiting inside the next artery? If we need any help, we can count on Liz. She always gets right to the heart of the problem. It's like getting to know Arnold from the inside out. The most fun ever inside a human body. And the best part is, the adventure is different every time we play. Scholastic's Magic School Bus explores inside the human body. Don't miss any of the fun. Click in and climb aboard the Magic School Bus. Race ya!
For a groundbreaking, fun-making, earth-shaking adventure, click here to to explore inside the Earth. Here's your chance to see how much of an adventure driving the magic school bus can be. Click Play Video to see just some of the amazing things you can do on these magical scientific field trips. Or click Play Game to try out some actual games and activities from the products.
Arnold's missing some of the rocks and minerals in his collection. You know what that means. It's going to be groundbreaking, fun-making, earth-shaking adventure. Scholastic's The Magic School Bus explores inside the Earth. Miss Frizzle says it's up to us kids to find Arnold's missing rocks and minerals and put them back where they belong. Along the way, we'll explore 6 cool new places. Everything from a dark, deep cavern to inside a geode, where we can play one of 8 different games. And each time we play, it's a different adventure. The best way to start is by digging up samples in front of the bus, then take them back to the geotable to wash them, cut them, break them, and figure out what they're made of. We can even go into the Earth kitchen and cook up some samples of our own.
Awesome. You just made obsidian.
But we gotta be careful, because when the ground shakes and the Earth quakes, we could end up in an erupting volcano. Don't get left hanging around. This one's gonna rock the world. Scholastic's The Magic School Bus explores inside the Earth. Don't miss any of the fun. Click in and climb aboard the Magic School Bus. Race ya!
Seatbelts, everyone! For an out-of-this-world adventure, click now to explore the solar system. Here's your chance to see how much of an adventure driving the magic school bus can be. Click Play Video to see just some of the amazing things you can do on these magical scientific field trips. Or click Play Game to try out some actual games and activities from the products.
Look, Miss Frizzle's got the whole world spinning in her hands. You know what that means. Blast off to adventure as Scholastic's The Magic School Bus explores the solar system. We'll search high and low to find Miss Frizzle's space-age coins. They're clues to help us find her. It's hands-on, interactive fun in outer space. We can go visit Venus, navigate to Neptune, jump up to Jupiter, or walk on the moon.
I was strolling on the moon one day.
Along the way, we'll learn lots of fun things, like how gravity works, and what happened on Mars.
Mars used to have lots of rivers and atmosphere, but now the rivers are just dry canyons and riverbeds.
Where else can we play around on Pluto? Check out the intergalactic hotspots, and make your own set of rings around Saturn.
Get on the bus and fly with us as Scholastic's The Magic School Bus explores the solar system. Don't miss the fun. Click in and climb aboard the Magic School Bus. Brace ya!
Seatbelts, everyone! Come with us aboard the bus and search for treasure underneath the ocean. Just click here. Here's your chance to see how much of an adventure driving the Magic School Bus can be. Click Play Video to see just some of the amazing things you can do on these magical scientific field trips. Or click Play Game to try out some actual games and activities from the products.
Look, Miss Frizzle's just got a message in a bottle. You know what that means. Get on the bus and come with us to search for hidden treasures. Dive right into Scholastic's The Magic School Bus explores the ocean. We have so many places to explore. The big question is which one of the 7 different ocean zones should we go to first? The coral reef or the deep blue sea? I know. Let's go to the sandy beach zone and play the crab game. Or we could teach Liz to surf on the Ride the Tide experiment. There are lots of fun experiments. My favorite is the Adaptomap, adapting fish to different environments. And don't forget to check out all the multimedia reports.
The weedy scorpion fish looks like the plant that it hides in, so its prey will swim close enough to get caught.
Lots more reports, games, and surprises everywhere you turn. Or we can put on our gear and go out diving. We can dive in every ocean zone. You know what else? We can raise the periscope and go whale watching. Over 200 things to discover just by clicking on them. Like this clam.
What are you clicking on me for? If you want to learn some fun facts about the ocean, click on the picture or the topic, and I'll tell you all I know.
Tons of underwater fun in every ocean zone. So come along with me under the sea. In Scholastic's The Magic School Bus explores the ocean. Don't miss any of the fun. Click on and climb aboard the Magic School Bus. Brace ya!
Seatbelts, everyone! Seatbelts, everyone!
I like the EasyBall because it's my own mouse.
Correction. He loves the EasyBall. The friendly, comfortable design makes cursor control easy, so he's building confidence with the computer right from the start. It's really giving him a head start in computing.
I can do it all by myself.
One of the big advantages of EasyBall is that it remains stationary, so he never runs out of room to maneuver it on the table.
I like to hold it in my lap.
Yep, he can do that too.
EasyBall is my new friend.
The large-sized ball, besides being fun and tough enough for kids, is perfect because it requires less coordination to move and to click, so it's easier for him. It makes the computer more accessible. And the single-button design makes it easier, too. There's no confusion about which button to push. I can just leave him to play with his friends, and they do fine. Or sometimes we play together. We can connect my mouse and the EasyBall at the same time.
Look, Mommy, I can make my bunny rabbit hop.
He can always tell which cursor belongs to him because he chose his own playing the Pointerland game. EasyBall is the perfect mouse for smart little hands.
To replay the introductory movie, just click here. Help awaits you at any time. Click here if you need more information about using this CD. Click here for product purchasing information, system requirements, and more. Looking for a way out? Click here to return to the Windows desktop.